This is the internal and external anatomy of a mud puppy. This right here is the eyeball, and these little holes are the external nares or nostrils.
Thank you. Okay. And this internal structure indicated by pin 19 is the heart. Our pin at 10 is your stomach. And this big structure indicated by pin 14 is the liver.
This pin labeled 20 is the small intestine right here. The pin at 16 is the gallbladder, this little thing hanging off of the liver. And then 25, well, it was there, is the external gills.
Number 22 right here, the little thing sticking out is the lung. Number 13 represents the colon. And number 12, which is like right under here, that is the dorsal aorta, this whole structure.